Hello fam, thank you for clicking to watch this video, and in today's video we are going to learn how to remove background in Photoshop from this one you are seeing right now to this one you are seeing now on your screen. Now let's jump right into it. Please fam, can you support my channel by subscribing to it and sharing this video? Now let's do this. This is the image we are going to remove the background from. Let me delete this. I want to import it again just so that you know how to import. Go to file and click on place embedded from here. Then under the file you can select where your image is, and this is the image. I'll click on place, and that is it. So from here I'm going to commit this image here. Then I'll come over here. I'm going to right click and click on rasterized layer from here. Then another step, I'm going to take the quick selection tool from here. I want to make a selection. Though the selection is not going to be perfect, just increase the brush size. The selection is not going to be perfect, but you can still use another method after this method, and that is it. So just make a selection over the model here, just like this. Just calm down and make a perfect selection if you want to use this method number one. Then you can see it as I see it on the screen now. Sometimes your selection may go out of range. Just select the -1. You can use it to bring the selection back to the model. I think you are seeing what's happening now. I'm using it to bring it down, to return it back to the model, just like this, using the -1. So let me just make a perfect selection because it goes out of range from here. Then when you are done, then I am going to take the move tool. Take the move tool from here, give it a layer mask. You can see the background is gone, but the selection is not perfect. So another method I'm going to use now is CTRL+Z to undo. CTRL+Z to undo. Or you can go to edit and click on undo. Go to edit again, click on undo. But if you cannot continue doing that, you can click on continue pressing CTRL+Z on your keyboard to undo what you have done. Then the next step I will take is just go to select, click on select subject. Just wait for AI to select the subject perfectly. The selection is going to be perfect selection because it was Photoshop AI that did it. You can see the selection is perfect right now on your screen. So that is it. It is perfect selection like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is give it a layer mask from here and turn off this background. You can see it is gone. The background has been gone already, and there are no edges left, and there's no place that looks awkward. So this is another method. Then now another method we can still use to remove this background. So you can see that this selection is very perfect and the background remover is perfect, so nothing wrong on the image. Everything about it is perfect. Then another method we're going to use now is just CTRL+Z to undo. Just make sure that this image is being rasterized. Then after that you can come over to properties here, to the property bar here, select the image and click on properties. And under here you can see remove background. But if you cannot find property here, you cannot, just come over to Windows and scroll down. You can see properties down here, and this is it. Just click on remove background. So just wait, the AI will remove the background automatically. So that is it. The property bar will help you to remove the background. So I will just turn off the other background, and this is the property bar to help you to do many actions, remove background and select subjects. So close it from here, and as you can see it, the background is perfectly removed by the AI. Now let's add color. Go to select and select subject from here. Then let the subject be selected from here. Then you are going to go to the adjustments layer. Then under this adjustment layer, this is where we call the adjustment layer, just right here. This is the adjustment layer. Then under here you can see many options that we can work on. You can see solid color, gradient, pattern, whatsoever. But I want to work on gradient. Let me use gradient. I want to add a gradient background. So I'll click on this gradient right here. Then I'm going to select a customized gradient, select any gradient of my choice from here. Let's say I want to use this color, or I'm going to select it, or let's say I want to use this, I will just select it. Then or I will click on this left slider to select a customized color again. And don't forget that of course you can always customize your color. So I want this color now. Let me select it and I will click OK from here. Then I will change the style to radial. Then the angle is going to be on 90, scale on 100%. Then that is it. Then after that I will click OK. Then I'm going to select the color layer mask from here. Just select the color layer mask on your keyboard. CTRL+I to invert to the background. I think you are seeing what is happening now on your screen. So that is it, and it is going to be a perfect selection just like this. Then I'm going to delete this background you are seeing right here. I will unlock it, drag it to the waste bin, and it is gone. And this is what I've created, and it's really making sense. And that is it. Please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video if you find it helpful. So thanks. Now I am out.